Big news coming in from Mumbai. The hit-and-run accused driver, who was also in the vehicle with Mihir Shah, he has been sent to judicial custody. So from police custody, now judicial custody. Also because the trial then will have to begin in this case. Remember that the issue here will be, was he in the vehicle when Mihir Shah was driving? When did they swap seats? How and why was the driver asked to take the blame, while Mihir Shah has admitted that he was the one driving and basically speeding the BMW, also when he was allegedly drunk, did not stop to help those who he had hit, and then fled and then escaped for the next 3 to 4 days. Meanwhile, the driver also has been caught in the net and he has been sent to judicial custody. Divyesh Singh is joining me for the latest on this. Divyesh, you've been constantly tracking this case, speaking to senior officers as well. How crucial will be the driver's custody for the investigators?
When the driver Rajshri Bidawat was also in police custody, he was arrested on the July 8th, and till today he was in judicial custody. Again, he was produced in court today. Police sought further police custody for Rajshri Bidawat, but court, after hearing arguments from both the sides, remember, police pointed out that after leaving from the bar in Juhu, after leaving the pub in Juhu, they proceeded towards Malad, Borivali, and in Malad, Mihir Shah again bought 4 cans of beer. Each can was 500 ml, and 4 such cans were bought. And these cans, these beer cans, need to be recovered. That is what police had told the court, seeking his further police custody. But after hearing arguments from the defense counsel and the prosecution, the court has now sent Rajshri Bidawat to judicial custody. As of now, Rajshri Bidawat has recorded his statement. His interrogation has happened over 3 to 4 days, but he will be in judicial custody. He can also apply for bail. He can file for bail now. Now that he has been sent to judicial custody, he can file for bail in the respective court. But meanwhile, police are trying to grill Mihir Shah, getting more evidence, getting more details about the accident and the conspiracy on how he fled, how the blame was to be shifted on Rajshri Bidawat. Rajshri Bidawat, remember, after reaching the...
Keep tracking, because this will be a big case, and it's just the starting, because what will their interrogation, questioning, and further details will decide and set a precedent in this case as well.